Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV and source device can talk. Check HDMI and each device's screen mirror protocol. Once done, plug in power and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi or use a wired Ethernet connection for stability. This reduces dropped frames. Make sure phone or laptop has up-to-date casting or mirroring software. If using a streaming stick, set it to the TV's active HDMI. Now open the app or OS casting menu to initiate the session. Next, you configure your recording app on the source device or external capture box. Select the capture source, whole display, a single app window, or the HDMI input if using a capture device, because each gives different flexibility. Then set resolution and frame rate. Aim for 1920 x 1080 at 30 FPS for TV playback or 1280 x 720 at 60 FPS for smoother motion. Also choose your audio inputs so you capture both system sound and your narration, and confirm. Now you perform a short test capture and review it on the TV. Confirm audio sync, visible content inside safe area, and acceptable frame pacing. When satisfied, record the full screencast, then trim edits and add any overlays or captions before exporting with H.264 MP4 for widest TV compatibility. If you hit lag, missing audio, or dropped frames, reboot the TV and source, replug HDMI or Ethernet, and as a last step lower resolution to 1200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.